Okay, folks, in today's video, we are looking at how we multiply integers by decimals. So multiplying whole numbers by decimals, okay? So if you want to, guys, pause the video, actually, yeah, have a look, okay, give it a go, and then if you feel comfortable, okay, press play when you're ready, okay, if you feel confident, okay? Otherwise, watch in full and take any notes here for today's video, okay, on your notepad or your iPad or your tablet, okay? Or your device. Okay, so work out the following here. So work out 0.03 times 20. So one way of doing this is to ignore this one here. So do it as 3 times 20, and then we add the decimal point or places back in. So 3 times 2 is 6. That'll obviously be 60. Okay, now I've times it by 100 there to get to 3. So I'm going to obviously divide this one here by 100, okay, to keep it in check. Okay, when I do that, guys, so that's going to be 1 and 2, so that's 0.6 or 0.6 or 0.60. Okay, either way is going to be fine, okay, or 0.60 or just 0.6. That's my answer for this first one, okay? So at first glance, we ignore the decimal point, okay? We multiply the integer by the other integer, okay? And then we put the decimal points or places back in, okay? So depending on, what we actually times by in the first place, okay? So here I times by 100, okay, initially, okay, so obviously keep the sum obviously in check. I divide the final answer by 100 here to obviously keep it in check. Okay, what about this next one? 1.3 times 20 again. I'm going to do 13 times 20, okay, which is slightly more trickier. Okay, and then divide my answer by 10, guys, because 1.3 to 13, I times it by 10. Okay, so 13 times 2 will be 26. Obviously, add on a 0. Okay, and obviously divide that by 10. So knock off 0 here, so that'll be 26. So 1.3, guys, times 20 is 26. Okay, that's how we multiply by a decimal. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Okay, of course, if you want to obviously times it as you do actually normally, and obviously, need this point here, that also works. But my advice here is, where possible, try to make it so you have two integers being multiplied here together here, or two whole numbers here being multiplied together. Okay, and then we add the decimal points or places back in. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, from today's video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Okay, all the best.